everybody, it's Dr. Fish is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light up Coca-Cola fire truck with a built-in bulldozer. This was not an easy build, but I enjoyed building it. This is more of an invention show-off, so I'm going to show it to you guys working. This is really cool. For the bulldozer in the back, I actually have built-in circuitry that I harnessed from other toys. It actually sings to you. It's really cool, guys. This light right here, I uploaded in a different video. On, off, on. It's to light up like the cockpit where they would drive. Honda Civic logo. Under here, I hid, for this circuitry, it runs on 3 volts. It's actually 2 AA batteries taped together, ran in series. This is really cool. Two red finger lights. These red lights I got out of another toy. Got these from the dollar store. I had to hot glue gun a license plate onto the front of the truck. Off, on, off, on. This took like 1,000 popsicle sticks to make. LED strand lights on both sides. LED strand lights in here. With this, it's a bottle. It runs on 3 volts with LED strand lights, red finger light. That DC motor runs on 3 volts also. This is really cool, guys. And in the back, you can actually press buttons. It makes other sounds. It actually counts to you. I added an orange bucket and put this in there for the look. If you've ever been on a construction site, the buckets are always off color. That circuitry runs on 3 volts also. I added an American flag. For the wheels, this is just a straw, and I wrapped it with electrical tape, and I did 1, 2, 3, and I hot glue gunned it to the bottom. These are lids from peanut butter caps. I added white rubber bands to give it a little bit of traction. This is really cool, guys. This was not an easy build. Little spotlight. This is so cool, man. Added Coca-Cola logos to the side that you can cut out of these cans. I actually let this can freeze and blow out the top so it would look like this so I could fit it in there. So cool, guys. This thing runs on 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 AA batteries. These are actually watch batteries that this runs on. Had to paint it red and black. This took a long time to make, man. Works good. Like I said, this is an invention show-off. If I made a tutorial video on something like this, it'd be like 2-3 hours long. It really would. See, this is a fire truck Dr. Fish makes, and this is something they make. This is so cool, man. Press these buttons and do different things in the back. This circuitry was hard to get, to find the broken toys and solder and fix certain things. So cool, guys. I'm going to show it to you guys working one more time. I like the LED lights on the side too. The strand lights. So cool, man. This was an expensive build too. I mean, this is 1,000 popsicle sticks right here. This is the do-it-yourself light-up fire truck with built-in sound, man. Well, Coca-Cola light-up fire truck with sound and built-in bulldozer. This is absolutely amazing. I've seen a lot of people make a lot of fire trucks on YouTube, and I've never seen one this good. Never. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of an invention show off by Dr. Fish of this do-it-yourself light up Coca-Cola fire truck with built-in bulldozer, because it's absolutely amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.